So let me see. Well, just complete some kind of data structures of and yeah, they're good. And after I complete the testing of the data structure, maybe I'm gonna start writing a API using Go. That's great. Alright, the queue. Queue is like the linked list, and but does have two head about a head and a tail. Yeah, we're gonna. I need to create a queue, a type queue. Yeah. Type queue struct, and it's gonna be a data will be an interface. Well, the interface can be any type. Yeah, I noted. The interface can be any type of the data type. Okay. Let me see. Here we go. And day 6, okay? Day 6, alright. And maybe this is gonna be not much. It's all about the code. Alright, we're gonna the queue. The queue, we're gonna get the first in and first out. Well, which one goes first? I'm gonna move out first, and we need a function we call for the queues, and we call mqueues. Well, this means you put a value into the queues. This can be the interface, can be any type, and the data dot append v. Ooh, queue dot data. Alright, queue dot data is gonna equal to append to the element. What the heck is element? Oh, it's using element. Alright, an interface of v. Yeah, v, and gonna go to the queue data, and we must unpackage it. Yeah, I remember something about the unpackage. Is a three dot. The three dot. Wait, what the heck? Right, just okay. We need a queue. We need a queue. So it's a pointer to the queues, and is queue. Alright, the queues, and actually having queue interface. What the heck is the interface? Interface and the lanes. We got the lanes. We're gonna assign to the lanes of our queue data, and if the lane is larger than 0, we're gonna need the front. Go to the queue data lanes -1. But why is it -1? Oh, I remember. We're gonna decrease its length, and we're gonna assign the last values of the array with it's before value, and then we return new. Allowing have the function Those are nuns inviting me. Right, good. Yeah. Không có nào nào có sợ là việc này. Alright, we need to create an empty array with the value can be any type, and that array gonna contain the element that we append to. It's gonna append to the array. Yeah, array. Right, good. The front and the back. Right, short with Q. Well, wait, I'm gonna need the ChatGPT, but I'm gonna use the ChatGPT here. 6 on the queued test. Okay, and let's see. Let me see. So I'm gonna create a key queue. Well, equal to queued and unqueued. And then I'm gonna run and go. Oh, forgot. Oh my god, there are pointer. Yes, they are pointer. So I need to create a pointer also. Yeah, I need to create a pointer also if I want to get a value, or this will return me the address of the values here. Okay, sj.pop, but there's something wrong with this value. That is wait, hold on. There's something wrong. I want to print out the value of this, but what? And here queues something weird. Right? What the heck? What is it different? The most different thing is like, seriously, the integers. Oh god. Okay, why? Print out the value, but without this, print out this. I'm gonna copy this. Right, let me check. Okay, the details gonna return an interface, and when I call the print line with interface values, the runtime gonna print out a representation, internal representation of interface, which is gonna contain the pointer, which point to the type, and the pointer which point to the value. So this value we got the the address of the values and the values. Disable like that. Yeah. The pointer point to the type. The pointer point to the real value. This is the type of my value, and this is the place where my values store in. Okay, I understand about it. Okay, it's good. Now I got an idea. The queues is the first in the first out. What will happen if I want to queues size, size. Okay, which is good. But the things I want is get, delete, and values inside a position of the queue. Okay. Well, it has queue, delete, in positions. Well, just give it a delete a value inside the queues, and as a sample, if the queues queue dot size, if the queue size is larger than 0, and I'm gonna give it a iteration using the I equal queue size, and yeah, queue is equal v. Why is a pen like this? Right. Well, I'm gonna queue dot delete 2. Queue dot delete 2. Oh, right. I'm gonna give another function called print the queues. Print the queues. Print the queues. And for I equal to 0, and it's gonna bring down the queue dot size and print out data. Queue dot print. Right. The test one. Alright, nice. Let's give it an int. I think just mean it's not exactly 1, 2, 3, but now it's just a 3, 1. It's wrong. Definitely wrong. I remember I'm gonna need to append it into a stack. Yeah, give into the stack. I need a stack. And also data interface, and the stack post, and the stack pop on top. Where is that? Right. I need the push and the pop. Push and items. Push and interface. And pop and items. is a more likely the queued logic. I need another stack, well, to push an interface and pop out. Right, and in this delayed, I'm gonna need to, well, if a queues, I got queues with the 1, 2, and 3. I want to delete the 2. Okay, I want to delete 2s. So I'm gonna dequeued, push them to a stack, and accept the 2 value. Then I'm gonna pop out the stack, then enqueue into the queue. This is my values. Okay, I'm gonna create a 10 stack. Attempt to the stack, and we're gonna need another function. Stack is empty. Okay, which is good. Let me see, I hope this is gonna help me have a clear something like that. If it's good, it must be 1 and 2. If not, yes, definitely. Oh, right, exactly, it can't be the stack. If I use the DQ, the last DQs, the DQ from here, this can be the stack. Yeah, let me see. There we are. If I use the DQ I get from the website, it's gonna be 1 and 3, and this is good for the exceptional. Let me see if there's any nothing. Alright, break, bookmark. Okay. Well, I think that I should. Yeah, I remember the binary tree. Definitely the binary tree. But this maybe get more time, lots of time to do. The DQ is not the same of the queue. The ChatGPT say that I need the front gonna the lanes up 1. It's gonna take the first element in the array of the queues, and the last element is gonna decrease the length while the last element is gonna disappear. Return the front and return new. What the heck? It was good in return France. Slide into queued, and I did gusta the get stack of the queued. Yeah. Okay, I need to. Here you go. And if I do in this stack, it's gonna be like this. Oh, no. And I still want to use the stack instead. I need to make it a stack. Yes, definitely. I need to enqueue that. But the stack is more. The stack is it changed the direction. But the direction is from the left to the right. Oh yes, definitely. It's gonna print the first. Oh no. Say me, I should use another 10Q to store my values. Okay. Alright, good. Let me see. I'm gonna need to append a value into a position. Yeah. I need to try. 1, 2, 3, Q2, NQs, another 4. And I need to delete the 2. There we are. The current size. It's hard to explain, but functions, queues, and delete, and duplicate. Right. Now, I'm gonna need a thing to create a function to duplicate, but if I use it, the 10Q. No, I need to delete a duplicate value inside the queue. This one has something to do that. And a scene. Yeah, it's a map. A scene of the map in the 10. And if the item is not in scene, yeah, the 10 and Q. Oh, I know how it's working. Create a map with the key and value and the 10 Qs, and then I'm gonna DQ each item out, and if that item's already in the scenes, yes, I'm gonna make it become true. If it's already in, just go to the next iteration. Okay. Good. I know what's gonna happen. Alright, let's make an example. queue is gonna be this, and the temp queue. The temp queue is now empty. So, which gonna need here is an iterate through one and one still not in scene. So it's gonna add one to the scene and add one to the temp queues, set the scene to true. Then we're gonna continue with two. We're in scene 2, and 2 is not in scene, so add 2 to the scene. The scene, so true. 3, scene 2, but in next iterations, to already in scene, so it's do not add the scene to the 10 queues, and oh, right, it's good. Nice. I feeling it's good, it's right, and yeah, it's nice here. Right. Nice. Let me. I need to add value into a positions, or add to the first, or add to the last. Yeah. Add a value to a position. But insert add append queue pulse append. Wait, what? Oh, okay. If the queue has 1, 2, 3, insert add 1, which gonna be need. It's gonna go to the positions 1 and put the value insert 1 and 1. Put the value to 1 pulse position. But now the pulse position is 2, so it's gonna need to append another. But in pulse 1 now is 2, so it will append 1 more. This will append 1 more array with any type value with value v. Okay, and the queues of the data will begin from the pause, and we need to dequeue that. Place. Let me see. Insert in Go appending to a slide. As for append is slide of type T, and the rest is a value to append. Okay. The value to append. Just wait. I need to append to display with this value. We need to unpack this and unpack this because we don't know what is its length. don't have really exact length with this value, but the value is gonna need to see that is an empty array which contain the value v we want to add to, and another value begin from post. It's a data. Yeah. Oh, I know. It's mean from the data positive from q.data post. This will append one more time. Yeah, one more time with the value appending this and this. But append this means we will append the rest of the Q data to this array, and this array gonna be append to the Q data positive from this position. It's gonna increase the length of this. Okay, Q dot insert add 1 to the position 2. 1 2 3 3 4 2 3 3 4. Hold on.